Loli is dyeing my hair, and this is the dye. So hopefully it's gonna look like this. It is actually a few days later, but this is how my hair turned out, and I really like it. It's a lot more of a darker purple on the ends, and then it's more kind of like red highlighty bits up the top. So Loli did an awesome job in kind of ombreing it. But I love the colour so much, I'm thinking of putting it all over, but I'm gonna leave it for like a week to decide, because obviously this more sort of like ombre look is gonna be easier to grow out while traveling. Whereas if it's all over, it's gonna look really, really obvious when my roots start to show over 4 months. So we'll see how it goes, but I really, really love the colour, so I'm very happy with it. And such a nice day, just hanging around in the city basically. I ended up meeting up with all the boys, and we went to a whole bunch of record stops. And then we met up with Tess, and then later me and Helena for a few drinks, and now we're having a bonfire. So that should be really fun. I wish I'd taken my camera to start with. Us collecting firewood is hilarious. Meme just jumped on like a whole tree branch and snapped it off. Are you gonna come to the bonfire? You should bring some more wood. Noah's got a very big log. This has been very interesting. These are the spoils of our forest adventures. We're very proud. Conveniently, there was a whole bunch of furniture right here, so we're using it to decorate our bonfire. Boys are cracking beers. Here comes the fire. Woo!
No, it's not working. Sorry, guys. Go now. Do you have a lighter?
I have a lighter.
Nice.
Nice work. Yeah! Woo! Inaugural bonfire! Woo!
It's already been warm.
Gasoline in, or is it on there already?
Yeah, it's already on there.
Oh, I can smell it.
Okay, let's stand back a bit.
Whew.
Nice.
Great.
Burn, baby, burn! Woo.
This is so cool. Yes.
Sick.
And we got snacks and drinks and fire.
And it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire.
The ring of fire. Woo! Yeehaw!
Rain on a lighter.
Yeah, it is.
The ring of fire. The ring of fire. So pretty.
Yes, it is. Still a bit wet.
And the flames went higher. And it burns, burns, burns.
The
Ring of fire.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say,
It's alright.
And you know he will trust you. Touch her thin body with your mind. When Jesus was I'm watching from his lonely wooden tower, but he always gets
Under you. Under you. Cigarette.
You get what you need. I brought friends! It's hello!
Sit down now.
Yes.
I'm okay. There's another guy in there.
He's trying to get business over there, I guess.
We are going to the Sherlock Holmes pub in the city for the pub quiz. We've got the entire crew. Oh, we just got a question now.
He never told me Great Britain, but he actually got off the plane and went into another plane, so...
So Noah and I have come to Falafel, to the place where they make the falafel wraps fresh. We're very excited. Falafel has been secured. My first one broke, which was really sad because then he threw it away, but he'd already made it, he was just rolling it up. But it happened before at the same place, so now I got a fresh, even warmer one. It's delicious.